So we start off today's video with this hair transformation. Wow. Loving this copper style with the pop of blonde. This is absolutely gorgeous. And it also features a variety of layers. And then we see this blonde jaw length style bob. So chic and classic. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. Today's video will feature a variety of haircut ideas, so if you have been thinking of shaking things up this season with a brand new look, this video is for you. If you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we have another hair transformation into this gorgeous shaggy style. This is one of the hottest hair trends that we're seeing in 2023 and it looks absolutely gorgeous. Hero is such an amazing stylist. Next up, we see a long to short transformation. So she has like mid-length hair. And the stylist is going to be cutting the hair into a bob haircut. Absolutely gorgeous. This bob is so chic and stylish, and it also features bangs. Another hot hair idea you can rock this spring. Next, we're going to be checking out another bob haircut transformation from that same stylist. This one also features bangs, but more of that swooped side swept style. Beautiful texture with the waves. And then we have a nice chic lob haircut transformation. Wow, absolutely gorgeous blonde. Such a great job on the color. Absolutely stunning. Next up, we have two lob haircuts. Both of which are so chic and stylish, effortless, gorgeous. And then we move into the styling and hair trimming of this pixie cut. As you guys know, if you already follow this channel, this is one of my favorite short hair influencers. She always manages to rock the cutest short pixie styles. So there is the before. I just love her platinum hair color. It's absolutely gorgeous. So then we move on to another hairstylist. So he's going to be doing a layered look for this one. I love this hair color. This is absolutely stunning. And then we have another hot hair color and cut transformation. Beautiful layered style. Loving that unique gray tone. What I like about this particular stylist's work is that he does a lot of trendy layered hairstyles as well as colors. Absolutely stunning. Beautiful angled bob with blunt bangs. Gorgeous. And then we have our last featured stylist of today. So he did a beautiful blonde lob transformation. Absolutely gorgeous texture with the color. Beautiful waves. Stunning transformation. Beautiful layers with lots of volume. Absolutely stunning. And then of course we have a bob haircut transformation. Beautiful blunt ends. Gorgeous. Alright you guys, so I hope you enjoyed checking out these hair transformations with me and you were able to gain some major hair inspiration. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and I will of course see you in the next one.